Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Following the dyno video that I told you about, that I was gonna be doing a series of videos about the Veloster. This is the second one. Uh, what I'm gonna show you today is just a comparison of sound. I replaced the catback on the Veloster. It's not a loud catback. I didn't want it a very loud catback exhaust because it's not the prettiest sound ever. It's not a V8. It's just a little four-cylinder. So a loud catback is never sounds good on a four-cylinder, and it's a very subtle sound. It's very nice, not loud, not obnoxious, and yeah, looks great. It's not an expensive catback. It's a very cheap catback. uh, I'm going the cheap route on this one. The exhaust cost me around 350 bucks. I bought it on eBay. Yes, on eBay. Um, it's not bad. Like I said, the quality is really good. It's a really good quality. The fitment was, let's say, 3 out of 5. It's not the best fitment. I still have to tweak it a little bit because it's touching the rear suspension. There's a part that is, you know, making contact, and once you get into a bump or something, you can feel the bump. It's touching the metal. So I have to fix that. But other than that, fits perfect. If you don't want a very loud exhaust, this is the one, and it's really nice. The brand is J2 something. I bought it on eBay. It's from DNA Motoring or DNA Motorsports. I will show you a picture of the exhaust. I didn't took pictures. I didn't record the install because it's useless. You've seen how to install catbacks. I mean, it's useless. I just want to show you the exhaust and the sound clips, so you have an idea of how good it is, if you like it or not. But this one is cheap. It's a cheap brand. I don't care. I like the way it sounds, the way it looks. Looks great. Fitment is good. I'm good with it. So let's jump into the clips, and I hope you like it. Next video is gonna be at the track. I'm gonna try to go this next weekend on Saturday. I'm gonna go to the testing tune and see if I can do a 15.0 or 14.9. Who knows? The difference is noticeable. You can feel it. The response right now of the car is a lot better. I like it, and I think it's gonna make a difference in the quarter mile. Yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. Can't wait. So yeah, wait for that. The next video is gonna be at the track. So for now, see you later.